Kuzampo everyone, welcome back to my vlog. I hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm heading to Kalbarri for 2 days family trip and I'm super excited. And so come along with me, let's have fun and let's make memories. So I'll see you there. Yes guys, the car is hungry and if we don't fill up the gas right now, we might end up walking to Kalbarri. Trust me, no one signed for that. No one. So here's my husband making sure the car is all set for the journey. It's already 7 a.m. in the morning and we were on the way to ECU University. That's our meeting point. So my sister and the family will be there and we decided to go together so that we don't miss our track. So yeah, see you there at ECU University then. Everyone's finally together, the cars are ready and the excitement is on another level. From here on, it's all about a good vibes, fun moment and creating lots of unforgettable memories on our way to Kalbarri. So let's go guys. Finally, we went to Jurin Bay and everyone was super hungry. I guess it's going to be a breakfast come lunch. And we were looking for the perfect spot to sit, relax and enjoy our meal. Actually, we packed our own lunch, so it's going to be a nice little picnic by the bay. Good food, fresh air and beautiful views. Couldn't ask for a better stop on this journey. A special meal prepared by one and only my sister. She put in so much of love, effort and honestly the food tastes really good. Thank you my dear sister, it was so yummy and delicious. Right after our meal, we decided to go for a walk and it was the best decision. So let me show you this view guys, it's so stunning, the fresh air, the sound of the waves, it's so nice and being there with the family makes it more special. Look at that. We all are happy after a good meal, nice walk and soaking in the fresh air, everyone feels refreshed and ready to start. It's finally time to hit the road and head towards our real destination to Kalbarri. And here is my driver, my hubby, driving us safely, patiently and pro all the way. And honestly, he's a hard-working, focus on the road and meanwhile we will just sit back and enjoy the ride. Thank you my dear hubby. Time to check in at our hotel and finally get some rest. After a long and beautiful journey, everyone is tired and excited to settle down as well. Bags out, keys in hand, and so let's see our home first day. Okay guys, let me show you a room for next 2 days. As soon as we walked in, it already feels so cozy and relaxing after a long journey. So here you go. That's bathroom, our tiny mini bathroom. Yeah, that's bathroom. That's it. Guess what guys, there is a swimming pool and let me show you. And here my swimming lover boys, they are already in the pool the moment they arrived here. It's so nice, relaxing. And here you got the giant chest. If you guys are chest lover, you can just swim there, play the chest, relax, enjoy. Guys, it's time for a dinner and we decided to go for a barbecue and prepare our own meal. and everyone is involved. Some are setting up, some are cooking, some are waiting for the meal, and some are flaming. Yeah, and
뉴트럴로 되면 근데 베이시키 아직 얘기. The next item di kaç mı yedin? Dal dili. Dal dili kaç do? Paneer curry. Egg fry. Oh, that's banana. Yeah.
Wow.
Pag doon.
And deep na the malulu kemi naman.
Chini bekliyorlar. Chili tane.
well, we were preparing dinner. Some girls came over and asked what we were cooking, so we explained them, and guess what? They just told us to a TikTok. Honestly, I couldn't say no, so this is the video we took while we were practicing, and yeah, it was such a fun. Our barbecue cooking turning into a little fun TikTok moment with the new friends. They are such a lovely girls.
Yeah, Bobo. Sounds for you.
Time to say goodnight, guys. We are really exhausted after a long journey, and it's time for us to go to bed. Joining with my sister, a little moment like this makes the trip more special. So good night, everyone. See you tomorrow for more adventure. So good night. Good morning, everyone. It's another beautiful day, and we all are refreshed and ready for another adventure. So come and let's get ready with me.
Pitçek. Aha pitçek. Nasıl? Pitçek benim. Pitçek. Hadi bir pitçek.
Our first day in Kalbarri begins with a skywalk, and everyone is super excited and can't wait to see those beautiful views and experience it together. So guys, let's go. Okay guys, this is Kalbarri Skywalk viewpoint, and honestly I'm a bit scared. Standing up there feels so unreal. Height, the views, and my heart is racing a little, but it is beautiful at the same time. So let me show you. The view is absolutely insane.
So we can put it away for the day, and then I'll get onto the website, the castle website. Drone operation. It'll take you to what you can and can't do. You can fly those little kit quadcopter things from everything to the big commercial jobbies. You're still a pilot of the aircraft. You're still underneath those operations. They're certainly well above those weights. I'm a commercial operator.
After this scary experience, we are now heading to Natural Window Lookout. So it's just a 10 minutes drive from a Kalbarri Skywalk, and after reaching there we just need to walk few minutes to reach that spot. And honestly guys, there are lots of flies. Guys, I thought this one would not be scary, but it turned out to be a bit scary too. After a natural window lookout, our next stop was Red Buff, and it is the perfect place to relax after all the walking and a little bit of a scary moment earlier. Lunchtime guys, and here we are at the park ready to enjoy our delicious yummy lunch, and this trip is all about creating memories together and eating and enjoying. So let's have lunch together. My boys wants to go to swimming again, so after our tummies are full, we are heading to one of the nearby beach to relax and to swim. Our second day has come to an end and time to check out. For our last stop, we are heading to one of the famous pink lake, and I just can't wait to see that beautiful pink lake and end our last day on a perfect note. It's so beautiful, and it is my first time seeing a pink lake, and honestly it feels so unreal, like something out of a dream, and the colors are so sweet and unique. It's so beautiful. And here we are again, me and my sister twinning in our outfit with the pink lake. Bye bye Kalbarri, see you next time. It was such a lovely and beautiful family trip. We are living with the hearts full and the camera full too. Until next time, Kalbarri, bye. Time for a lunch on the way home to Perth. Thank you guys for watching my vlog, and I will see you in the next one. A A big thank you to my beautiful family for making this trip successful and wonderful and unforgettable. I'm truly grateful to share every moment together on this amazing Kalbarri journey. Thank you and love you all.